So I've gotten an update on this flood. Let's just say it's not that good. Yeah. So if you saw my last video, this is bad. Because that water was not there before. It was like still in the creek bank. But now the thing is that it's on land now. And up there on down the road, like somewhere around over there. Like this is on my iPad right now. So I don't know where I'm pointing. But that road over there is flooded. Not from what I can see, but from what I can see barely. It's entirely flooded. So yeah. End of report.